No, is it?
Yeah, that'll be good.
Psalm and then
Psalm.
O praise
Yeah.
and
Come
revive.
Psalm, O praise, revive. Cool, cool, cool.
George,
Yeah.
when you get back on the piano, you just want to play that one through nice and softly or something.
Yeah, yeah,
Just a bit of music.
yeah. Yeah, before we start.
Sorry, were you going to ask me something?
What was that?
Were you going to ask me something?
Yeah, I was just wondering what the order was.
Oh
The
yeah. Oh yeah.
Come, O praise, revive.
Come, Psalm, O praise, revive. Come, Psalm.
Come Psalm, come Psalm.
Do we get down to most the first song?
I'm like we could be quite full up.
I usually stay up until,
Because
but
there's
yeah,
like
if I'm on the way, I'll
It's
usually.
there's a lot.
If I'm in the
there's
way,
a
I'll
there's a
usually
lot of
stay up.
there's a lot more too. I sort of feel like it could be quite full.
Yeah, I think after the first song we can go
Yeah,
down.
I'll go down too because I'll just be like, yeah, I'm just right in there.
Yeah,
I'll sit out.
yeah. I think there's
Sorry, Shemaine, it's come, Psalm, revive, and
Come,
O praise.
come, Psalm. Yep. Oh, praise, revive,
Okay, come,
revive
Psalm, O
one.
praise. Psalm, praise.
So what is it? Come, then the psalm, and then.
O praise, then revive.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Was that Daniel last night? Sorry,
okay.
somewhat interesting passage. Yes. I know it follows from a revised version.
This is about RHVs.
Was that?
This is about RHVs.
Which Jazz, you want to sing something from that?
Yeah, yeah, that's right. It's
What's that?
Susie
Oh
and
no,
I.
no, it's
I think next one's a good one that
Might have to put this thing on. I don't know where these things work. Brittany might.
Find it easy.
Oh, like that, I think.
Find it easy.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry, I'm not used to a Brittany mic, but that's great. Um, welcome. I'd like to give a warm welcome to you, especially to any who are visiting. We're glad that you're able to be with us as we worship God. We're going to begin by, if you stand, we'll have a call to worship, and as you stand, and then we'll just go straight into singing, Come People of the Risen King. So let's stand. From Psalm 95, Come, let us sing for joy to the Lord. Let us shout aloud to the rock of our salvation. Let us come before him with thanksgiving and extol him with music and song. For the Lord is the great God, the great King above all gods. In his hand are the depths of the earth, and the mountain peaks belong to him. The sea is his, for he made it, and his hands formed the dry land. Come, Let us bow down in worship. Let us kneel before the Lord our Maker, for he is our God, and we are the people of his pasture, the flock under his care. Let's sing, Come People of the Risen King.